Okay, number 6, we have the integral of dx over 1 minus cosine x. Okay? Sa part na to ay kailangan nating multiply itong equation na ito sa 1. But the equivalent of 1 is equal to 1 plus cosine x over 1 plus cosine x. Okay? Nag-base lang ako sa denominator natin. Okay? Equal to 1 yan. Okay? Pareho sila ng numerator and denominator. Probably that's equal 1. So, isab natin yung 1 dito. Okay? Multiply by 1 plus cosine x over 1 plus cosine x. Okay? Itong sa denominator ay FOIL method yan. At ito naman ay direct multiplication lang. So, bali magkakaroon tayo ng 1 plus cosine x dx. Okay? Over 1 minus cosine squared x. Okay? Remember from the basic integration, basic trigonometry identities, we have 1 is equal to cosine squared x plus sine squared x. So, i-transpose mo yung cosine, magiging negative yan. So, ito yung equivalent yan. So, isab natin dito. Okay, sine squared x. Okay, ang next na gagawin natin ay kailangan natin paghiwalayin yung numerator natin. So, basic lang yan. So, dx over sine squared x is equal to, plus. Okay, we have addition here. Integral of cosine x over sine squared x dx. Okay? Remember na ang equivalent value from the basic identities ng trigonometry, ang 1 over sine is equal to 1 over cosecant. So, that's equal to cosecant squared x dx plus, okay, ito naman ay equal to cosine over sine is equal to cotangent x multiplied by 1 over sine. So, cosecant din dx. Okay, ito ay direct na. Pwede nang gamitan ng direct integration gamit yung mga formulas natin. So, integral of cosecant squared x dx is equal to negative cotangent x. So, negative cotangent x, okay, plus the integral of cotangent x multiplied by cosecant x dx is equal to negative cosecant x, okay, plus the constant. So, positive multiplied by negative is negative. So, this is the final answer.